Want to gift a Claude subscription? Here's how to do it in under 60 seconds. First, go to claude.ai/gift or click your profile icon and select Gift Claude. Next, pick your plan. You can choose Pro, Max 5 times, or Max 20 times, and select 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. Now customize your gift. Choose a card color, add a personal message if you want, and decide how to send it. You can either email it directly or get a shareable link. If you're emailing, enter their name and email address, finally check out, and you're done. You'll get a confirmation email and they'll receive their gift. 3 quick things to know. You don't need a Claude account to buy one. Recipients have 1 year to redeem it, and they don't need a credit card to activate. That's it. Links in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Claude tips.